Hey, okay, good morning. So this is a quick tutorial. We're going to focus on the ID column or the identifier column that identifies one person from another in the file. So when you get files from another entity or another person, first thing I would do is try to get to know the file, look at how many people are in the file, do some, descriptive statistics, frequencies, where appropriate, because there are some variables you don't want to do, for example, frequencies on, because the variables are measures, right? Another thing you want to look at is, do I have multiple records per person, or do I have one record per person? The reason you're doing that, and I've covered this in the past, but I'm going over it again, is you're looking to see this, like for example, this says 10, I have 10 cases here, right? Now, do I really have 10 cases, 10 individual cases, or 10 people in the file? Let's see. No, I don't, because you see that person number 6 is in the file twice, right? So there's something to be said about this. When you go to report data and you go to report that you have 10 cases or 10 people or 10 what have you, I'm sorry, 10 what have you, it might be problematic if you're trying to gauge how many people have a particular problem. And you say 10 people have that problem. Well, you don't have 10 people in this file, right? You have less than that. So a quick way to check this, and you could do this in other platforms as well, but in SPSS, you would go Analyze, Frequency Statistics. Ooh. Then you would move the ID variable over and hit OK. Then you can see that under number 6, you have 2 cases. Okay? The other thing that you want to make sure is that you use the right test, statistical test, for your data structure. So if your data structure is 1 record per person, there are specific tests that you would run that require 1 record per person. So if you use the wrong structure for a test, you could get erroneous results, and we don't want to do that. So this is just a quick tutorial. Have a lovely morning.